In this video, we're diving into a dashboard overview of Vodex. As you start, you'll notice your account balance displayed prominently. This includes the remaining balance, how much you've consumed, the remaining calling minutes, and your on-hold balance as well. Moving along, you'll also receive a snapshot of the calls that have been triggered over the past 7 days. It's a handy feature to get an immediate sense of activity. In addition to that, you can delve deeper into the call details from the past week. Here, you'll find the total number of calls that have been initiated from your account, alongside specifics like connected calls, failed attempts, voicemails left, and other miscellaneous stats. Plus, there's a quick view of your campaign lists so you can easily manage or review recent campaigns. Whether you want to run a campaign or just view your complete list, the option is right here. So that's the dashboard in a nutshell. Nice and straightforward. You also have the flexibility to view data from specific dates, whether it's from a previous month or any custom date range you prefer. Just apply your chosen dates, and the dashboard will update the information accordingly. Moreover, if you handle multiple projects, you can select which project's data you'd like to display. Should you need to reset the displayed information, there's an option to do that as well.